So today we are going to continue our chapter which we are learning currently in maths, which is chapter number 6, integers. Okay, what we are learning currently? Chapter 6, integers. And I have given you the try these exercises of page number 125 day before yesterday. You have done it hopefully.
Yes.
Now do you have any difficulty over there?
No.
But many students in the classroom are there who have difficulty but not sharing with us. So I am going to solve it speedily. How to solve it? That you have to check, and the method should be same. Try this of page number 125 which I have given you in the last period as a homework. I am going to give you solution A. Minus 11 plus
Minus 12.
minus 12. By dissolving bracket, we get minus 11 minus 12.
Yes.
And we had learned basically three rules of addition of integers, in which we had done if both the integers are positive, then we have to apply addition and sign will be positive. If both the integers are negative, then also addition sign will be negative. If one is positive, one is negative, then subtraction and greater numbers sign. So these three rules you have to keep it in your mind. So here both the numbers with the same sign means if both are negative, which application? Addition. So addition will be there, which is 23. But both are negative, so answer comes negative. Then number B was there, plus 10 plus 4. So both are positive numbers. So what will come? 10 plus 4. Addition. Answer is 40. Sure. Number C. Minus 32 plus minus 25. Everybody has to check their answers in the notebook. The same method should be written in your notebook. Chalo, where is your notebook? So minus 32 plus minus 25.
57.
But how to solve it? So minus 32 minus 25. Both have same size. So addition will be applied. And both are negative. So that's why it is come minus 57. Then after plus 23 plus 40 plus 23 plus 40. So 23 plus 40 which gives us
63. Right.
63. If you have noticed, so I have used bracket only with the negative numbers. For the positive numbers, I haven't used the brackets. When we represent the number individually, then if the number is positive, it is not needed to add the positive sign with it. But when it is shown in the operation, see over here the positive numbers are also shown in the bracket. Here also the positive numbers are shown in the bracket. So whenever in the mathematical operation it is shown, at that time compulsory to show the positive numbers also in the bracket. Got it? Here going first one try this. On the same page another try this also was there, and I had given you minus 7 plus plus 8.
Subtraction.
Minus 7 plus 8.
Subtraction.
So minus 7 plus 4. Now one is positive, one is negative. So what to do? Subtraction. And greater number sign. So subtraction always can be possible from the bigger number to smaller number. So here 8 is bigger. So 8 minus 7 तो क्या हो गया -1 आएगा which number is greater and it is positive so this number also चलो number B which is -9 plus 30 so -9 plus 30 so answer is 4 13 is greater 13 minus 9 so answer is 4 and it is positive because greater number is sure plus 7 plus minus 10 so 7 minus 10 see now 10 is bigger here okay then also we have to subtract it because 7 is positive and 10 is negative so subtraction will be applied so subtraction will be applied so 10 minus 7 because 7 is smaller and subtraction can be done from greater to smaller so 10 minus 7 so answer is 3 but it is minus 3 because this is negative number which is greater okay so greater number is negative that's why over here it is and the last one is plus 5 plus minus 7 plus 12 plus minus 7 12 minus 7 answer is 5 greater number is positive so answer is positive okay now next try is that using number line which also I have already explained you when we had done addition of the integers we had used both the methods without number line and with number line so now next try is on page number 127 so start to solve it just now everybody has to complete it here only चलो शुरू करो सबके सब ये हम पढ़े ही है उस दिन I have explained you both the things together if you remember टेबल आपने कॉपी किया वहाँ पे मैंने नंबर लाइन भी ड्रॉ करवाई थी चलो तो शुरू करो वो ट्राई प्लीज अभी हम पढ़ रहे हैं ट्राई दिस ऑफ पेज नंबर 127 हरी आप वहाँ स्पीड से लिखो शांति से मत लिखो हमको पूरा कंप्लीट करना है आज ये भी और आगे भी बढ़ना है 127 वहाँ पे the first question is given that copy the question find the solution of the following additions using a number line तो हमको नंबर लाइन यूज करके अभी एडिशन करना है first is -2 plus 6 now whenever you draw the number line use your wisdom okay which numbers you need on the number line and use ruler and pencil to draw the number line we need negative number side -2 and -2 से ऐड करना है तो which side we have to move right side how many steps 6 steps because plus 6 is given here show the arrow likewise so which operation you have done that can be shown and write down the answer over here and separate it with the box okay this is answer okay answer you can write with the original question only which number comes on the number line that you have to write there chalo complete this question then another is -6 plus 2 so whenever you draw the number line you have to keep it in your mind you need -6 minus 6 plus 2. Which side we have to move?
Right side.
Right side. How many steps?
2.
2 steps. And the answer is minus 4. Then after at the above it is given that make 2 such questions and solve them using the number 9. I am taking according to my own wish. You can take as per your own. Okay. आप अपने हिसाब से भी ले सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं कि मैडम ने लिया वही आपको लेना है. Distance between two numbers should be remain same on the number line.
मैं वो -4 के बाद -3 बी में.
हाँ यहाँ छूट गया नहीं. -3 -2 -1 0 1. So complete this question in this way. Any example according to your wish. For how to add two numbers using number line which is given in this, try this exercise. This is without number line and here it is with number line. So what people are doing, Mohit? जल्दी करो. टाइम में काम कंप्लीट होना भी जरूरी नहीं तो एग्जाम में पेपर छूट जाता है. शांति से करते रहते हो तो. And in integer you need only this one space on the page. Okay, so just draw a vertical line and continue the right side also on the same page. So use your paper notebook wisely because we need to cut trees to get this notebook. And one side on our hand save environment board is there and another side we are wasting the pages, then it is totally opposite action. So use your notebook wisely. Done?
Yes. No, that's the last one. Complete.
So once you complete it, then pay your attention to me for couple of minutes. आप जैसे ही ये कंप्लीट करते हो तो फिर आप अटेंशन दो यहाँ. So pay your attention here. One example over here I have taken. Question number C, which is not given in your textbook. But in the textbook it is given that take another 2 example and do it. Pay attention here. I am going to explain the next topic. Okay. So here in this third one example, I took -5 and +5. When we compare these two numbers, then the digit are same 5 and 5. But one is negative. Another is positive. So the answer we got over here, it is 0. Okay. So when the addition of two integers comes 0, then those two integers are known as additive inverse. Additive inverse of each other. Of each other. Means what? Additive inverse of -5 is
0 plus 5
+5. And additive inverse of +5 is
minus 5.
I have written over here additive inverse of each other. So each other माने which numbers? Each other माने which numbers? So here in these example, it is -5 and +5. So additive inverse of -5 is +5, and additive inverse of +5 is -5. What is the additive inverse of -21?
My plus 25.
What is the additive inverse of +120?
Minus 100.
Okay, just you have to change its sign. If the plus sign is given, positive integer is given, then the digit remains same. Only the same number with opposite sign. पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव आएगा, नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव आएगा. And those two numbers are known as additive inverse of each other. And this definition is given on page number 127 with bold letter. ये जो आपका नंबर 9 वाला टॉपिक कंप्लीट होता है, एग्जैक्टली बिलो ऑफ इट इज +3 and -3 का एग्जांपल लेके एक्सप्लेन किया है. यू गॉट इट?
यस.
चल ना ये ट्राई भी अभी कंप्लीट नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट कंटिन्यू इट.
यस मैम. क्वेश्चन बता दो.
कंटिन्यू करो. चलो नंबर
+7
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विदाउट यूजिंग नंबर लाइन. मानिए जो हमने किया था ना, सेम ही. चलो शुरू करो. 127 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ये जो हमने किया वो क्वेश्चन 1 किया. Now the same try this exercise of page number 127. Question number 2 without using number line. Number line use किए बिना हमको करना है.
125 पेज वाला जैसा.
Yes, same method. नंबर लाइन के बगैर करने को बोला है कि नहीं?
अरे पहले ट्राई दिस 125 वाला से.
तो इंस्ट्रक्शन ड्रॉ पहले पढ़ो. पढ़ना ही नहीं है किसी को. -13 plus 10.
मैम अब 3
स्पीड से करो सबके साथ. गार्डन में नहीं बैठे हो, क्लासरूम में बैठे हो. पेन जल्दी से चलनी चाहिए सबकी. इजी है।
Yes. मैम इसके अंदर आएगा 2.
And then it is given that take another 5 examples. 5 such examples.
+9 और
आप अपने हिसाब से लो चलो।
+9 -13.
If you are copying the same questions from the board, then just write the question, solve it yourself, then verify the answer. Because it is given for practice. So don't copy the solution. Done?
Yes.
चलो भाई, हो गया क्या आपका? सिंगल डिजिट में तो आप लोग कंफर्टेबली कर लेते हो. So over here I have taken 2 and 3 digit number only. 2 and 3 digit number I have taken and the bigger number I tried to take.
मैम मैंने ना वो आई वाला कुछ किया लेकिन मेरा वो की ना मैं भी 3 डिजिट.
So here addition of integers. exercises are completed, only one exercise is left, which is 6.2. And it is your today's homework.
Yes.
It is your today's homework. Tomorrow is a holiday, Sunday. So use your time to do your important work. At least you need minimum half an hour and maximum 1 hour to complete it. So, see, आपको addition of integers के rule revise कर ले. First rule, if both the integers are positive, then what to do? Our answer comes positive. If both the numbers are negative, what to do? An answer comes negative. If one is positive, one is negative, subtraction. And sign will be greater numbers sign. So this you have to keep it in your mind. Additionally, we had learned today about additive inverse. So logic behind it, if the addition of two integers is 0, then those two integers are additive inverse of each other. Okay? Yes? I'm coming on that part. Now, clear हो यहाँ तक सब?
Yes.
Now open 6.2, sorry. And in the question number 1, it is given that 6.2 में page number 128 page. First question is given that using the number line, write the integer which is first is 3 more than 5. So from which number you have to start? 5 से शुरू करना. 3 more than 5. So इक्वेशन क्या बनेगा? 5 plus 3. तो 5 से शुरू करना है and 3 points right side पे मूव होना है. Second, 5 more then minus 5. Already done?
Yes.
हमने कर ही लिया. अगर आपने ये सेम एग्जाम्पल लिया है तो चलो. थर्ड वन, 6 less than 2. बट नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है तो शुरू कहाँ से करोगे? और which direction you will move? How many steps? 6. चलो. Same 3 less than minus 2. So you have to start from minus 2. And less means which direction? How many steps? 3. Clear ho? Yes. Number 2, use number line and add the following integers. Integers are already given. तो आप कर लोगे? चलो. Add without using number line. तो ये हमने किया अभी. Without using number line. चलो. Question number 4, find the sum of. तो यहाँ पे एडिशन की साइन सिर्फ नहीं दी है, बीच में एंड यूज कर लिया. तो 137 एंड माइनस 354. तो 137 प्लस माइनस 354. फिर आपको इस तरह से कोई भी लॉजिक ऐड करके सॉल्व करना है. क्लियर हो? एंड फिफ्थ वन, फाइंड द सम. अभी यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? मोर देन 2 इंटीजर्स आ गए. सो मैं सिर्फ लॉजिक बता देती हूँ. Whenever first of all resolve bracket, ब्रैकेट को आप इस तरह से रिजॉल्व कर लोगे. Then अगर नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ इंटीजर्स आर देयर, तो नेगेटिव नंबर को एक साथ में रखो, पॉजिटिव नंबर को पहले एक साथ में रखो. दैट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन ए. देखो आप जैसे ब्रैकेट रिजॉल्व करोगे तो क्या आएगा? -7 -9 +4 +16. ठीक है. अभी -7 -9 दोनों नेगेटिव है, तो दोनों में क्या हो जाएगा? एडिशन कर लो दोनों का विथ नेगेटिव साइन. मानी व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से, मैं अभी क्या बता रही हूँ आपको. ये आएगा -7 -9 +4 +16. यहाँ तक क्लियर हो सब? अब ये दोनों का ग्रुप बनाओ और और ये दोनों का ग्रुप बनाओ।
और 7 minus
तो माइनस यहाँ पे कितना आएगा?
16.
बोथ आर नेगेटिव, तो एडिशन होगा
Yes.
एंड नेगेटिव साइन आएगी।
Yes.
बोथ आर पॉजिटिव, तो एडिशन होगा
20.
एंड प्लस साइन आएगी। तो अब ये 2 इंटीजर्स हो गए, आंसर क्या आ गया?
बहुत easy है मैम.
Means you people have to make out of this 4 integer, you have to convert it into 2 integers.
हाँ.
ये 2 integers हो गया and then simplify.
Yes.
2 integers कैसे हो गया? तो नेगेटिव नंबर्स के साथ पहले अप्लाई किया, पॉजिटिव के साथ पहले अप्लाई किया। अगर ये तो ऑर्डर से ही नहीं दिया है, अगर इवन है ना ऑर्डर, तो भी आप नेगेटिव को एक साथ रख सकते हो, पॉजिटिव को एक साथ रख सकते हो और फिर सॉल्व करना है। गॉट इट?
Easy है मैम.
तो आज का होमवर्क क्या है? 6.2 आपको आज कंप्लीट करना है। मंडे को हम आगे चलेंगे। आपको डिफिकल्टी है तो स्पेस छोड़ देना, मैं सॉल्यूशन नहीं भेजने वाली ना। पोस्ट द सॉल्यूशन
Yes.
बिकॉज आपने फर्स्ट टर्म में सॉल्यूशन सिर्फ कॉपी किया, दिमाग कहीं पे भी नहीं लगाया, इसलिए एग्जाम में फेल
है.
तो अभी दिमाग यूज करना है मैथ्स में। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पोस्ट सॉल्यूशन। आपको सॉल्व खुद करना है। कहीं पे पेन रुक जाए तो आगे का जो हमारा काम है, टेबल हमने बनाया वो रिवाइज करो, फिर आंसर लिखो। और फिर भी नहीं आए तो आंसर के लिए स्पेस छोड़ दो। वी कैन डिस्कस योर प्रॉब्लम्स इन द क्लासरूम
Monday.
बट नॉट द होल एक्सरसाइज। गॉट इट?
Yes.
तो आज का होमवर्क 6.2